East Tennessee raised me. It's where I took my first steps and a few tumbles. It's where family kept me safe and friends kept me laughing. I dreamed big and I was surrounded by love. That's the kind of love that's gonna stay with you.
Good morning, happy Friday. Thanks for checking in this morning with your latest video forecast weather update here on the East Tennessee Weather app. And today's probably a good day to make sure that you allow location services and notifications if you're watching this video update on the app itself, because we're under level 2 risk for severe storms by the Storm Prediction Center. That does encompass pretty much all of East Tennessee. We could see the potential for some larger hail, upwards of 1 inch in diameter, but really the big story is going to be the big risk for damaging winds in excess of 60, 70, maybe even 80 miles per hour based on how the atmosphere is all setting up and playing out. So let's walk you through the latest futurecast. Should be doing just fine from now through lunchtime. No big deal there. From noon till about 2 or 3, we should be fine. But anytime after about 2 or 3 o'clock today, make sure you stay weather alert. Check in with the interactive radar here on the app. Track it with that 2-hour futurecast. It's going to be a great tool. And again, if you allow location services and notifications, you'll get lightning data when lightning's within 15 miles of your location. The storms will speed up a little bit and have a little bit more of a motion in the atmosphere than what we've had with the last couple of storms, but isolated strong to severe thunderstorms can't be ruled out, leading to the potential for some localized flooding and flash flooding. And so we're under a level 1 risk by the Storm Prediction Center. It's mild and muggy this morning. It's going to be a little bit on the breezy and gusty side as the frontal boundary comes on through this afternoon. And it's going to be just plain hot with temperatures in the upper 80s to low 90s, but dew points in the 70s. So that gives us a heat index value back in the mid to upper 90s throughout the day today. Incredibly hot and sticky. We're going to shut those rain chances down for the most part Saturday, ramping back up on Sunday, and then some scattered showers and thunderstorms as we get into next week. I wanted to highlight the big picture for the upcoming weekend. We'll pick up our timeline on Saturday morning. And again, our Friday cold front moves off. This is what I'm going to be watching for Saturday. We've been talking about this over the last couple of days. We have a decaying cluster of thunderstorms, and as it moves its way in to our area, does it die down? Well, I think it does, but I think we're going to have the clouds increasing throughout the day on Saturday and can't rule out maybe some light showers by the end of the day. Subject to change, so make sure you check back in tomorrow morning. As we get into our Sunday, here comes our next little cold front that's going to bring us increasing chances for some showers and storms, but no severe weather threat is on the table there. Muggy all the way through Sunday. Pleasant weather returns Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday as dew points come on down and temperatures come down into the low 80s. So that's going to make it feel so much more pleasant. Halfway to receive weather information throughout the day today, right here on the East Tennessee Weather app is your one-stop shop. Just make sure you allow location services and notifications, and you'll be notified of any inclement weather throughout the day today. Have a great Friday.